Ever wish your woodworking projects looked factory perfect? These four genius tools will change the way you build. A track saw gadget that cuts perfect angles like a miter saw. A shelf jig that gives you flawless pinholes every time. A compact mini saw that rips through wood at 3,500 RPM with laser precision. And a heavy-duty clamp that holds everything rock solid. Fast, accurate, built to last. These are the secret weapons every woodworker needs. Ever wish your track saw could cut perfect angles like a miter saw? Well, now it can, thanks to this ingenious gadget. Meet the Gadget Adjustable Track Saw Square, the precision tool that transforms your regular track saw into a multi-angle cutting machine. No more measuring, marking, or guessing. This tool locks securely into 11 preset angles, ranging from -60 degrees to +60 degrees, giving you flawless, repeatable cuts every single time. Just set your desired angle, tighten the knob, and you're ready to slice through wood with surgical accuracy. Built from solid aircraft-grade aluminum, it's designed for durability and precision. Every edge is CNC machined and anodized to resist wear, rust, and warping, so it'll stay accurate for years of heavy use in your workshop or on site. The engraved angle markings are laser etched and easy to read, even in low-light conditions. Compatibility? No problem. The Gadget Adjustable Square works seamlessly with most major track saw brands: Makita, Festool, Milwaukee, DeWalt, and many others. It connects to your guide rail in seconds and stays firmly in place, so you can focus on cutting, not constant recalibration. Whether you're building cabinets, framing doors, trimming panels, or crafting furniture, this square guarantees clean, consistent angles that make your work look professional every time. It's fast, foolproof, and built to last. For woodworkers who value precision and efficiency, this is more than just an accessory, it's an essential upgrade. Turn your track saw into a high-accuracy miter saw system and say goodbye to uneven joints, wasted material, and endless adjustments. Cut smarter, cut faster, cut perfectly, every time with the Gadget Adjustable Track Saw Square. Need power, precision, and portability in one compact saw? This tool delivers all three. With a 4-amp motor spinning at 3,500 RPM, it cuts through wood like butter, smooth, fast, and effortless. Whether you're trimming plywood, cutting framing lumber, or tackling detailed DIY projects, this compact saw gives you professional results without the bulk. The built-in laser guide projects a bright, visible line across your material, keeping every cut perfectly straight. No more guesswork or uneven edges, just clean, accurate lines every time. And with the Rip Guide attachment, you can lock in your measurements for repeatable cuts that stay consistent from start to finish. Despite its power, this saw weighs just 5.5 pounds, making it easy to maneuver, carry, and control, even in tight spaces or overhead work. It's ideal for anyone who needs the precision of a full-size circular saw in a lightweight, portable form. Cutting performance doesn't stop there. With a maximum cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 to 1/8 inches at 45 degrees, it's ready to handle serious tasks, from flooring and paneling to cabinetry and finishing work. Adjusting the bevel and depth is quick and tool-free, so you can switch between materials and angles in seconds. Safety and comfort are built in. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, the safety switch prevents accidental starts, and the guarded blade system offers extra protection during every cut. Fast, accurate, and durable, this compact circular saw packs big performance into a small frame. Ever built a shelf and realized your pinholes don't line up? Or worse, drilled them unevenly? This tool ends that frustration for good. Meet the Milescraft Shelf Jig, your new secret weapon for flawless shelving. This clever tool ensures perfectly straight, evenly spaced holes every single time. No measuring tape, no guesswork, and no mistakes. Its clear acrylic body lets you see exactly where you're drilling, so you'll never misalign a hole again. Whether you're working on cabinets, bookcases, or custom furniture, precision is guaranteed. The jig features 32mm hardened steel bushings that guide your drill bit with absolute accuracy. These bushings resist wear and tear, meaning your jig stays true even after hundreds of uses. Built-in indexing pins let you extend your drilling pattern infinitely, so you can add as many adjustable shelves as you need without losing alignment. Worried about drilling too deep? Don't be. The Milescraft Shelf Jig includes a built-in depth stop, ensuring every hole is drilled to the perfect depth. No more worrying about breaking through the material or leaving holes too shallow for your shelf pins. Designed for speed and reliability, this jig sets up in seconds. Simply align it, clamp it down, and start drilling. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate how it transforms a tedious, error-prone task into a fast, satisfying process. Its durable construction, clear visibility, and smart layout make it one of the most user-friendly and accurate jigs on the market today. The result? Flawless, professional-looking shelves every time. Fast, foolproof, built to last. The Milescraft Shelf Jig doesn't just save you time, it makes your projects look like they came straight out of a high-end workshop. Once you use it, you'll never go back to guessing again. Ever tried holding wood steady only to have it slip right when you start cutting or drilling? That's where this tool changes everything. The 11-inch heavy-duty face clamp gives you rock-solid stability for every project, no matter the size or material. Built for serious woodworkers, this clamp features a 3.5-inch jaw opening that securely grips thick boards, panels, and frames with ease. The high-density steel spring delivers constant, even pressure. So once it's locked in, it stays locked until you're ready to release. No more wobbling, slipping, or uneven joints. The swivel jaw pads are designed to adapt to any surface or angle, protecting your workpiece from dents or damage while keeping it perfectly aligned. Whether you're assembling cabinets, gluing panels, or sanding edges, this clamp holds your materials tight and true for clean, precise results every time. Comfort also matters, especially when you're spending hours in the workshop. That's why it comes with an ergonomic grip that feels comfortable and natural in your hand, reducing fatigue during long projects. And when you're done, the quick release lever lets you free your material instantly. No struggle, no wasted time. Weighing just the right amount for stability without bulk, this clamp combines strength, precision, and convenience in one rugged design. Its solid steel construction means it's built to last through years of heavy use, making it a must-have for carpenters, cabinet makers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Strong, fast, reliable. This isn't just another clamp. It's the secret weapon behind cleaner cuts, tighter joints, and faster builds. Once you try it,